Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the terrace garden as a part of outdoor garden. Terrace garden. A terrace garden is a raised space of ground constructed around a dwelling house or at the corner of a garden or on the sides of a hill. When such a terrace is used for gardening, it is called terrace gardening. Terrace garden is a garden arranged in various levels or terraces. Terrace gardening involves land raising and construction of steps, ramps, walls, and paved paths, as well as planting of lawn grasses and other plants. It is desirable to have plants on the terrace, but it should be restricted to the edges so that the middle is left open for circulation. Since such gardens are mainly for relaxation, they should provide both sunny and shady areas. Components of terrace garden. First, retaining walls. Terrace garden can be separated by retaining walls, which gives you the perfect opportunity to introduce defined zones within a garden. An area for kids, an area for kitchen garden, and outdoor dining or living spaces, etc. According to the height of the terrace slope, brick wall or stone retaining walls should be built, and this wall can be used as decorative feature. Second, outdoor living room. Terrace garden is used as outdoor living room for relaxing, or you can use this place as an outdoor dining hall or sitting area, which gives natural feel. Third, garden steps. Steps are key design feature on most slopes and the most common way of getting from A to B. Outdoor steps are very different from indoor ones, as they should be deeper and wider. In a small terrace garden, curving the slopes or building them across the garden will take up less space. Planting can be done on these steps in earthen pots, tubs, bowls, and can be arranged artistically. Fourth, dwarf trees or shrubs can be planted in a circular, rectangular, or square beds. The selection of trees and shrubs should fit with the architecture of the house and should have ornamental and aesthetic value. Plants used in terrace gardening should not obstruct the view of the building from outside. Fifth, lawns. Lawns is the green carpet for terrace garden. Lawn improve the appearance of house, enhances its beauty, provide a perfect setting for a flower bed, a border, a shrubbery, or a specimen tree. 6. Arches. Arches provides entry into the terrace garden and also welcome the guest with sweet fragrant wine which grown on it. 7th, ramps. Ramps are simple to navigate option in a terrace garden. It is best for a wheelchair user and children. 8th, path. Area under the foot is path and it should be dry. So it is paved with material like local stones, bricks, concrete, wood, gravel, mosaic tiles or grass. 9th, water culture. A small lily pond with a fountain and water plants will lend visual enrichment. Rock culture. Addition of sculptured rocks with succulent plants increases the beauty of garden. 11. Chairs and tables. Chairs and tables may be arranged for rest and relaxation. 12. Hanging baskets. Hanging basket displayed in a terrace adds beauty to the garden. Lighting also adds beauty in the terrace garden during night. A sundial or bird bath or a stone sculpture adds beauty to the terrace garden. So this is all about terrace garden.